Hello friends, good morning. Vladimir here is with you. And this is the daily review for Wednesday, 7th of December 2011. Just want to remind you that we are getting closer and closer to the end of the year. The volumes continue to get lower and the moves continue to be, well, zigzagging. It's not easy situation, so just make sure you trade carefully and you don't risk the profit that you did during the last period. Now let's see for possible things for today. Just a quick reminder, we are going to have a European leaders meeting in this Friday and during the weekend, and they're going to discuss about the help program. Does the market believe them? I'm not sure at all based on the chart, but everything could change in a minute, as you know, especially after calm conditions on the market as we have had during the last days. Well, let's take a look on some of the charts for that some provide possible trades for today. The first one is the Euro British Pound. If we take a look on the 4-hour chart, we can see a stiff resistance area around the 0.8610. We can see that the chart has difficulties around this area not once, right? That's the resistance area. It also relevant 10 pips higher around the 0.8620. That's the same range. If we go lower from 1-hour chart, we can see that there is a divergence. If we have a stop around this range, 0.8610 till 20, somewhere in between, with this divergence and bearish candle pattern, we can look to sell the Euro Pound with stop loss above this high and target number 1 as 20 MA, dynamic 20 MA, and target number 2 will stay open, as if the move will begin, it will provide very nice down move, and who knows, maybe even a new long-term down move. That's about the Euro Pound, the first interesting pair for today. The next one will be Canadian against the yen. We can see that there is a resistance around 77.10. We can see that there is a spike resistance around 77.35.40. And we can see a next resistance on daily chart, just a little higher, right, around the 78. We can see on 4-hour chart that we have a divergence here. The only question is when and how it's going to stop. We will look for this range and for bearish candle on 4-hour chart to go and sell the Canadian against the yen. But also we can go for 1-hour chart, right? For 1-hour chart and look for this divergence. If it makes the stop on the resistances with a bearish candle, it should be nice first sell. Once again, if you attack based on 1-hour chart, your target will be the 20 MA of the 1-hour chart. If you go for 4-hour charts, your target will be for 4-hour charts. That's 1-to-1. And the second target, of course, will stay open, as if we have a return, it might be stronger. So that's for Canadian yen, possible trade, second trade for today. Regards the Australian against the franc, continues with small volumes, has a resistance around 0.9540.50, have another resistance around 0.9630. We can see long divergence here, which means this move most likely is the last move. How deep it will be, we should just look after that. Any stop around the resistances will provide us, once again with bearish candle, will provide us the sell opportunity. For my opinion, it's only question of time. It could take a day more, it could take a week more until it stops and go all the way back, at least to the opposite boundary, the lower boundary of this Bollinger Band, but also very possible all back again to 0.94 or even much lower. So we will be watching for this pair. Also 1 hour chart, you can see the continuing divergence here. Every rise should be last rise. That's regard this pair. If we take a look on indices, we can see that the S&P 500 should, as we expected last time, should make the move, should go to 1280 or a little higher around the 1300 to complete its divergence, to make a new high there, lower highs on the chart, and to begin the sell. That's what we are looking for. Risky to join out now the up move from my point of view because of the bearish pressure and the divergence. But we will be looking definitely for the next highs to make the stop and to begin the down move. As it looks on the chart, is going to happen soon. Maybe not today, but definitely worth to watch. It might happen today. It might take some time. About the oil story, with steel story, we have a stiff resistance around the 102, little higher, and very possible triple divergence, right? Double top, triple divergence, just right here. If that happens, it's an amazing sell. We also have a daily divergence, so the combination might be just amazing. If it goes higher, we have the next resistances around 103.50, 105.50, the next stiff resistances. This divergence, from my point of view, just a question of time until we have a real strong retrace. That's regard the oil, and that's well, probably the best trades to look for. There is another one, beautiful one, euro against the Canadian, with its 4-hour divergence, long divergence, and from my point of view, it should make last move to 134.80 or a little deeper, 134.20, before it retrace all the way back, and I would expect around 2, 3, maybe more hundreds of pips up move for this pair. So these are the trades that I recommend to watch for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Enjoy your day and good luck with trading, and please remember to be careful as we are in December now. Thank you very much. Yours, Vladimir. Bye bye.